Alight Motion Triangle Transition. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion and waiting for it to load completely. Then press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to begin a new project. Now set your project settings according to your needs and press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footage that you want to use. After adding the footage, extend its duration so it covers the section where you want the transition to appear. Once the footage duration is set, press the plus button again and select the triangle shape to add a triangle layer to your project. After the triangle appears on the screen, go to Edit Shape so you can adjust it. Increase the size of the triangle until it fills the entire screen. When the triangle is large enough to cover the screen, move the triangle layer to the end of your footage where you want the transition to happen. Next, go to the Position option so you can animate the movement of the triangle. Set the transition direction based on your preference. For example, if you want the transition to move upward, place the first position keyframe with the triangle below the screen so it is not visible. Then move forward a few frames on the timeline and set a second position keyframe with the triangle above the screen. This creates the movement that forms the transition. After setting the two positions, add a curve based on the motion style that you like. The curve controls how the movement behaves between the keyframes, allowing the transition to feel smoother or more dynamic. Extend the triangle layer so it lasts for the duration you need. After extending the layer, you can set the triangle color based on your preference. Choose any color that fits the style of your project. If you want to add more variation to the transition, duplicate the triangle layer to create a second triangle. Then move the keyframes of the second triangle slightly forward. After that, change the color of the second triangle to a different color that you like.